Building muscle is a great way to improve your overall health and fitness. It can help you look and feel better, improve your strength and endurance, and reduce your risk of injury. If you're new to building muscle, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. You should also make sure to eat a healthy diet that includes plenty of protein. The basics of muscle building. When you lift weights, you're essentially creating microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. When your body repairs these tears, it makes the muscle fibers bigger and stronger. This is the process of muscle hypertrophy. There are two main types of muscle contractions, concentric and eccentric. Concentric contractions occur when you're lifting the weight, while eccentric contractions occur when you're lowering the weight. Both concentric and eccentric contractions are important for muscle growth. However, eccentric contractions are thought to be more effective at stimulating muscle growth. The importance of protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth. It's the building block of muscle tissue, and it helps to repair and rebuild muscle fibers after a workout. The amount of protein you need to consume for muscle growth varies depending on your individual factors, such as your body weight, activity level, and goals. However, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. The best foods for muscle growth. There are many foods that are good for muscle growth. Some of the best foods include 1. Meat, beef, chicken, fish, pork. 2. Eggs. 3. Dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt. 4. Beans. 5. Nuts and seeds. 6. Whole grains. 7. Fruits and vegetables. How to structure your workouts. If you're new to building muscle, it's a good idea to start with a full body workout routine. This means working all of the major muscle groups in your body on each workout day. As you get stronger, you can start to split your workouts up into upper body and lower body workouts. This will allow you to focus on each muscle group more intensely. No matter what type of workout routine you choose, it's important to include a variety of exercises that target all of the major muscle groups. You should also make sure to gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. How to get the most out of your workouts. There are a few things you can do to get the most out of your workouts. 1. Warm up before each workout. This will help to prevent injuries. 2. Lift weights that are challenging but not too heavy. If you can't lift a weight for 8 to 12 repetitions with good form, it's too heavy. 3. Focus on compound exercises. Compound exercises work multiple muscle groups at the same time. 4. Take short rest periods between sets. This will help to keep your heart rate up and burn more calories. 5. Eat a healthy diet that includes plenty of protein. 6. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for muscle growth and repair. Tips for staying motivated. Building muscle takes time and effort. It's important to stay motivated, especially when you don't see results immediately. Here are a few tips for staying motivated. 1. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. 2. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to work out with can help you stay accountable and motivated. 3. Reward yourself for your progress. This will help you stay on track and motivated. 4. Don't give up. Building muscle takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Building muscle is a great way to improve your overall health and fitness. By following the tips in this video, you can start building muscle and getting stronger today. Here are some additional tips for building muscle. 1. Be consistent. The key to building muscle is to be consistent with your workouts. Aim to work out 3 to 4 times per week. 2. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're just starting out. If you're feeling pain, stop and rest. 3. Vary your workouts. As you get stronger, you'll need to vary your workouts to continue challenging your muscles. This will help you avoid plateaus. 4. Get enough rest. Your muscles need time to recover after a workout. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 5. Eat a healthy diet. In addition to protein, make sure to eat plenty of carbohydrates, fruits, and vegetables. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.